Meal Prep Challenge. A week of healthy eating made easy, with a twist. What if I told you that prepping your meals in advance could change your entire fitness journey, and maybe even your life? Sound dramatic? Well, buckle up because I'm about to prove it. Meal prep is not just some trendy buzzword. It's a game-changing strategy that simplifies healthy eating, keeps you on track, and, let's be honest, makes you feel like you've got your life together. Today, I'm diving into a week-long meal prep challenge, showing you how to prep delicious, healthy meals while sharing insider tips, funny mishaps, and expert advice. Whether you're a meal prep newbie or a seasoned pro, you're going to leave with all the tools you need to crush your goals and avoid boring meals. Let's get started. The game plan. Healthy meal prep made simple. We're covering breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks, using quick recipes, clever hacks, and some surprises along the way. The goal? Prep 15 meals in just 2 hours. Yes, it's possible. And yes, you're going to love it. But first, a confession. I was terrified of meal prep. What if I ran out of time? What if I had to eat soggy vegetables for a week? Spoiler alert, none of that happened. I've got solutions for all those fears, and I promise, this process is way easier and more fun than you think. Breakfast. Starting the day strong. We're kicking things off with breakfast. Enter spinach and feta scrambled eggs. Why this recipe? It's quick, ready in 15 minutes. It's versatile. Breakfast, lunch, or snack, it does it all. It feels fancy, but is secretly the easiest thing ever. Here's the twist. I make an extra large batch, portion it into containers, and even toss in a side of whole grain toast or fruit to switch things up throughout the week. Oh, and pro tip? Use silicone muffin molds to turn this mix into grab-and-go egg bites. Boom! Breakfast on autopilot. Lunch. Say hello to customizable quinoa bowls. Lunch is where we level up. I'm making quinoa salad with roasted veggies and citrus vinaigrette. But here's the thing. This isn't just a salad. It's a choose-your-own adventure meal that evolves as the week goes on. Want to keep it light? Add leafy greens. Craving protein? Throw in some grilled chicken or chickpeas. Feeling wild? Top it with avocado and a sprinkle of feta. The vinaigrette is a game changer too. It's tangy, zesty, and ridiculously easy to make. And if you're feeling lazy midweek? Don't worry, this recipe forgives you. Snacks. The unsung hero of meal prep, let's talk snacks. Forget those expensive pre-packaged bars. I'm making DIY trail mix with almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, and a few dark chocolate chips, because life's too short to skip the good stuff. Here's why this matters. Snacks are the glue that holds your healthy eating together. Prepping them in advance keeps you from reaching for chips or cookies during that 3 p.m. energy crash. Dinner. The slow cooker saves the day. Dinner. After a long day, the last thing you want to do is cook. That's why I'm prepping chicken fajitas with bell peppers and onions in the slow cooker. It's literally as easy as tossing everything into the pot and walking away. Bonus, your house smells amazing all day. When dinner time rolls around, all you need is some tortillas, lettuce wraps, or cauliflower rice to serve it with. And here's the hack. I portion leftovers into freezer bags for future meals. Hello, stress-free weeknights. The struggles, and how I beat them. Let's get real. Meal prep isn't always smooth sailing. Challenge 1, running out of time. Solution, stick to simple recipes. You don't need to prep everything. Focus on your busiest meals first. Challenge 2, getting bored. Solution, rotate ingredients and experiment with sauces. Your taste buds will thank you. Challenge 3, feeling overwhelmed. Solution, plan ahead with a grocery list and organize your prep sessions step by step. The big reveal. 15. Meals in 2 hours. The moment of truth. After just 2 hours in the kitchen, I had 15 meals prepped, labeled, and ready to go. And let me tell you, seeing those neatly packed containers lined up in the fridge is the ultimate satisfaction. Here's what I learned. 1. It's not about perfection. 1. Some days your salad dressing leaks, and that's okay. 2. Prep for your life. 2. If you're a snack person, focus on snacks. 2. If dinner stresses you out, make that your priority. 3. It's a total game changer. 3. Knowing you have healthy, delicious meals ready to go is like having a personal chef on call. What you didn't know about meal prep. Let's drop some fun and surprising meal prep facts. 1. Freezing cooked rice with a splash of water lets you reheat it perfectly. 2. Pre-washed, pre-cut veggies might cost more, but they save hours. and might save you from skipping healthy options. 3. You can marinate proteins directly in the freezer. 3. Just pull them out to thaw, and they're ready to cook with built-in flavor. Join the challenge. Now it's your turn. What meals are you prepping this week? Share your tips, struggles, and successes in the comments. And if you loved this challenge, stick around. In my next video, we're blending up smoothies that taste like dessert, but are secretly packed with nutrients. Don't forget to hit subscribe, because this is just the start of your meal prep transformation. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. It just takes a little planning and a lot of heart. Let's crush those goals together.